roasted chicken. I'll show you step by step how to make my personal favorite roasted chicken. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. Now, let's season the chicken. Guys, so make 2 tablespoons of butter, and I will go put this in the microwave and melt this. Be right back. Make sure to first dry your chicken with paper towel. I already did that. Now I'll spread some butter all throughout the bird. There you go. Spread the butter. And there we go. Now add your seasonings. Onion powder. On the skin, put it on the skin. There we go. Then put some under. Don't tear it. Some under. And then put some inside. And there we go. Now, we'll add some pepper. This is some really nice chicken. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. And then put some inside. Now, let's put some salt on. Then, grab some and put it inside. There's the oven. It's done preheating. Make it nice and salty. Then put some inside. There we go. Now let's put some paprika on. Then put some inside. And then in here. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some vegetable oil here for the potatoes. And then put this in the oven for 1 to 1.5 hours at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Be back. Hey guys, as you can see, the roasted chicken is now done. I will carve this and try a bite. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. Alrighty guys, now I'll try a bite. Amazing. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.